And then you guys go with the blues here. So last night I made a real nice carbonara, broccoli chicken carbonara at home. So I want to duplicate it for y'all. This knife needs a little work. So I got a little bacon cooking already. This will be nice and quick. Put some garlic. We're going to do this one in real time. Yep. Start to finish. Now I got all the pot's already blanched off. This is, So you take the stems because they cook. It takes longer to cook. Chicken breast. We'll take this broccoli, blanch it off. You know what? Let's take a break. 30 seconds. Okay. Put the pasta in the water. That's al dente. Nice al dente. This is the stage of the game where you can really develop your flavor right here now. A lot of the moisture is evaporated. This is where you get your depth of flavor. Cut up some of the bigger pieces. The longer you leave it at this stage, because you get everything nice. See? Do a little white wine. Ty, grab me an egg yolk. An egg. Yeah, still got nice green. So I put up on the heat. Touch more salt and pepper. A little bit more. Then we're going to turn the fire down. 1 egg yolk. That makes it so rich. Also tightens up the sauce a little bit. Everybody says take it off the fire. No. I cook it a little bit when I put the egg. Everybody says take it off the fire and add the egg yolk. You gotta cook it a little bit, just like a creme anglaise. It's a dessert sauce. You add the egg, you gotta put it back on the fire. Grab a couple of forks. Ty. Cooking rag, do-rag. Cooking rag, do-rag. My daughter says, do-rag? Oh, that's funny, do-rag. You call your handkerchief a do-rag. I said, well, that's where it all started. Then they started tying that do-rag on their head. Come on now. All right. There we go. That's the best part. The broccoli stems, in my opinion, a little of that bacon. Hey, want to try the other one? Sure. All right, a little more cheese. You know, it's so pretty, I'm not going to use green onions. Don't need it. That'd be overkill on the green. Want to try it?
Oh, yeah, I'll try.
Alright. Ty's coming in for the kill. It's broccoli, chicken, carbonara.
Oh yeah, that's good stuff.
Come on, Glenn. Grab your fork. Right, Glenn. That's Glenn, that's Dave. Dave started to scare me now. He came in with a spoon. The big serving spoon. Wow. You know, you can do it. You can do it with the white wine, without the white wine. But the wine gives a totally different flavor. What do you think, Dave? Going back in for more. Dave, as I said in that chicken riggy, you look at chicken riggy recipe. Dave is like the best handyman in the world, man. He can fix anything, build anything. Some jackass punched a wall in the bathroom, and Dave came right in before we opened, get it all set. Built my deck in my house. Hard working man. That's what America's built on. You know, people that work with their hands. You know, not sit behind a computer. No, you know, no offense to you techies out there, but you know, we need some of us blue collar guys too that, you know, show a little appreciation, right, Dave? Because, you know, price is right, quality of the job is right. Tomorrow's 4th of July. Our country was built on that. I don't believe in that big show down in Washington, you know, all the military strength, because strength is, you know, the toughest kids I knew in school were the quiet ones. until somebody messed with them and then found out. But that's how America should be. You know, just we don't need to. We know to show the world how tough we are because we know we're tough, and if, you know, built by working class, blue collar people. Amen. Daddy Jack's going with us. Hey, I don't have a soapbox, so I got a floor mat. Get my feet off the ground a little bit. It says Daddy Jack's 181 Bank Street, beautiful downtown New London. A sunny day, a little on the humid side, but no major flooding, no major hurricanes, no major disasters. We love it here. Peace.